Okay, guys, some time ago, I assisted you on how to convert a Word document to PDF. That was some challenges some people were facing, so I was able to guide them through on how to do this. Yeah. So today, we will be taking care of PowerPoint. Yeah, because people don't even know you can even convert PowerPoint to PDF. Yes. So we will work on that. Yes. So welcome back once again. Yeah, we will work on that. Let me first empty this my recycle bin. Yes, because I need some space. So let's dive in. This is a document, a PowerPoint document, some assignment I did some time ago. So as you can see, I have to update my word. This is 2019. Let's check. Account. This is 2016. Sorry, 2016. Yeah, so if you want to see the version of Word you are using, just come to account and you see. So let's go to home. This is our assignment that we want to convert to PDF. So we have a lot of tabs. They are all working. Every single tab is working. I'll one day take my time so that we will go through all the tabs and then see how every single function, how to use it. Yes. So if you have this watch and you really want to convert it to PDF, it is the same steps as we did for the word part. Yes. So with that one, you will just head on to file as we did. Please do not go to home. Or do not go and search, because the last time with the word one I showed you guys how to do it. It's the same thing, it's the same procedure. Yeah, you will just come here. Done. But let's go back and then check if everything is on point. So this is our first one. How many slides do we have? I want to confirm that. So when you go back to the PDF to maybe someone will be like, some of the slides didn't appear and stuff. This was a PSW program assignment or something. Yes, so this is it. We have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 slides. So let's head on to the file. As I said, do not go to home or other types to save it to PDF. So we go to file, and then when you click on save, maybe you make some changes in the work without wanting to save it. If that you have, there's one icon here. As you can see, the place I'm circling, I'm just rolling the cursor. That one too is a save. So as soon as you do every editing and you want to save it, just click on it. Yes. So in this section, we'll go to save as. You click on save as usual. I always want to use my desktop. Click on desktop. Then you see the files on the desktop. This is the file. So here, save as type. It is already in PowerPoint, and then we want our type to be in how do I call it, PDF. So we come here, we select our PDF. We have a lot of files that we can convert this document to, but what our interest, we want to convert it to PDF. So we click on PDF. Then as usual, we make sure it's a standard one. Then we click on save. Then we wait for it to load. There you go. Boom. We have our PowerPoint in PDF. So we have one, two, this is the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, seventh, eighth, and the ninth. That means we have every single document here. Yes, got all, none was left out or something. Yes, so it's so simple. It's so simple. Yes, so after that we can just close it. Yes, and then but this part you can reconvert it, but I want to have some other mechanisms, and then one day too I will show you how to convert from PDF to other formats like Word or maybe PowerPoint or Excel or something. Yes, yes. Thank you very much for your time. So let's delete it. Let's delete it because I won't use it. It was just for educational purpose. Let's empty our bin. Boom.